I have never seen a winter like this ever. I think it's breaking all records, and all it does every day is snow and snow and snow. And I'm sure this can't begin to give you an idea of how deep it is. This is a winter. We can't even get out of our driveways anymore. Look over to Eggington's house here. You can probably see just the snow. It's unreal. My husband has shoveled this deck so many times. Just made paths for the dog, but it's just unreal. Just snowing, blowing. I guess I'm just amazed. The wind is blowing really bad.
Working.
They've closed the mountain road.
The shovel 17 times the snow of the driveway.
Do you guys like this? Do you guys like this?
That is my three-wheeler and my snowmobile, well, three-wheeler trailer.
This is the worst winter in my lifetime.
How tall am I, 6 feet?
Yeah.
What is that, approximately 4.5, 5 feet of snow?
This is...
Of course, it's been piled up a little bit. I've got 2 words for this winter. Blanking, incredible. Not on. There it's on. Gotta be in the movie. I am now. I'm gonna remember that 100 years from now. I'll finally remember that line. You get a picture of Dave on the roof shoveling? Hey, Dave. You're on the back of the spotlight.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. It's just as bad in our backyard, almost up to our shed.
It usually does. As you can see, I had to chain up the good old van to get anywhere this winter. Outrageous.
Yes, it's snowing. This is January something, 1993, okay?
Okay.
This much snow, okay?
Okay.
And
Let me show them the snow on the motorhome.
too much. Look, Dad. Shit.
Don't.
Here's my igloo. Our still fort, Daddy. Right now. Get that cool car right there.
Let's get your igloos.
Here's our lawn. Kurt, mow the lawn, will you?
I got that much of the house shoveled and the roof and I give up.
Hey, shut up. Boo. That is the genie we built. Griffin built. And the lamp is kind of covered in snow. So isn't it beautiful?